Hello YouTube, Norm's neighbor here again. Got another new tool. This is a Makita 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder. This particular model is 9557PB. This is my very first angle grinder. I haven't had one of these before. And when I was looking around, there were a lot of different kinds, a lot of different manufacturers, and a lot of different costs. You can go to Walmart and pick up their generic version for some ridiculously low amount, maybe $19, $20. You can go and find ones that are much more expensive than this. This particular one, I think, ran me about $80 some. And I picked this one because it fit my hand really well, and because it's got a paddle switch, so anytime I need to, I can just let go of it and it's going to turn off. So here we go. Let's see what this looks like. Now we got the instruction card right there on top. Instructions and warranty card before we even get the box all the way open. Okay, so we've got over here we have a Makita, let's see, A95956 grinding wheel to go with it. So we actually do get a grinding wheel to start off with. That's actually kind of nice. Alright. This looks like the blade guard over here. So this is going to be some assembly required, but I guess we should be used to that. Okay, so as we go deeper into the box, there's our power cable. Get out of the way there. Okay, so there we go. There's the tool itself. Looks like we got a rubber band or something on that guy. Let's see if we pull it off. Let's see if we can pull it off. Ah, there we go. And let's see. So go further down into this guy. We've got, a couple of things. This little guy, probably a wrench of some kind. Probably the wrench to put things on and take things off. And we've got the side handle. Okay, nothing left in here. Nothing there. Nothing back there. Nothing here. Nothing there. Okay, box is empty. So there's the tool. There's the handle. I'm going to call that the wrench. There's the guard. And there's our first wheel to use with it. So let's see how this thing goes together. Okay, so we're going to start with this guy right here. And that's not going to work. So let's see here. And do that as much as possible. All right. maybe, perhaps. Okay, look at the bottom of this guy. So there is our wrench. It actually does fit into the holes on the bottom of this guy. So let's see if we can get this thing to stop spinning. I've got my finger there. Actually, let me move this around. Use a better finger. Alright. So this guy comes off just like this. Alright, should be no problem now. Alright, so there's the bottom of the tool. This little guy should fit on here some way. Okay, we've got several different ways this guy can go. It has a little key right here. Right about there. It looks like that key probably goes right there. So I'll put that there. Well, maybe not. So we rotate this guy on around. Oh, that's where it goes. Ah, okay. This thing will finally sit down in there so that we can move it around, and I probably want it, oh, let's call it right about there for just for the time being. Flip this guy over, and we have a Phillips head screw right here. Tighten this guy down. Alright, there we go. That's good to go. So when I took this off, this guy came off right here first. And he has a key. You hold this up. Right here, this is keyed right here. And it's also keyed into this. If you can see those flat sides. So it goes in like that. I'll put this wheel on. And then we're going to put on this guy. A screw that holds everything together. Or the nut that holds everything together, I should say. Now on the top of this, there is the stop for the spindle lock. So let me hold that down. Put my wrench right here. Slide this on down. And there we go. So there we have that part of the angle grinder. And then we put the handle on. It looks like the handle just screws in. Screws in right there. It can screw in on the other side. There's another place it can screw in. So it depends if you want to hold it this way. This is the way I'll probably hold it. If you're left-handed, you might want to flip the handle over to this side so you can hold it that way. But there we go. My first angle grinder. Thanks YouTube, and I'll talk to you later.